Hi everyone, we're going to do a YouTube video today, and I have plenty of things that we can do. We're going to start with our first set, and our first set is going to be a Minion Play-Doh set. I have 3 Minion molds. Okay. So we're just going to put all this Play-Doh back, since we're not using it right now.
Can I ask you a quick question before I start?
Just do your best. Action.
Okay. Was 1934
This one's actually pretty cool.
alone. Living on the prairie was a dreary existence. No
Okay.
telephone, no radio.
So we have plenty of things in here, like, alright, we saw those, so let's put those to the side for now. The colors of Play-Doh we have is green, purple, white, 2 yellow, orange, a reddish pink,
What do you mean?
blue, and black. You can probably hear some things in the background because I'm watching TV too.
Or else you cannot be in Andre's play or any other.
But you told me what I did wrong.
No, I can't.
I don't get any feedback.
That is correct. Try my acting exercise. You're all terrified dolphins.
Got scissors. We have this gun creator. All you do is get Play-Doh, roll it out, and then
How am I supposed to do this?
do that.
No one will tell me what I did wrong. I thought you guys were my friends. I'm not your friend.
Okay.
I was hoping we could be more than friends.
The fart gun.
Ugh, it's so gross how he's always hitting on every girl.
I never hit on you.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh,
You guys, my problem?
a cupcake and like loads of different people, and on the back they have their clothes, and you put it on them.
It's a dry erase board with a bunch of colorful pens and a convenient cup, so whoever wants to can write or draw whatever they want. It's a Hollywood X tradition. Well, what's wrong with letting other people be expressive?
We also have from the other set that I'm going to use is a roller and a knife.
Yeah? No, my longer's fine with your longer. I'm gonna help right now. Come on. Somebody told me how to do the birdie or I'm gonna cry. I can't.
Don't be so whiny. Get it now.
Yeah, we also have banana mold. A big banana,
You know you feel so awkward when you do this.
cupcake like I said, and then plenty of. These are all our tools. Our 3 tools are going to be like right over here to the side. People could go right over in the box. No. Right here. And we put our Play-Doh inside the box. And all of our molds are going to be to the side of the box. Let's start by making Stuart.
Someone wants the bird seed? I'm gonna give them the bird seed. I got props and a backdrop and just to kiss up a little light using outside plates. 2 large coconuts.
Those are good ones. What's the deal with cyclists and coconuts?
He says the milk gives him visions.
These are the 3 colors we need. Yellow, blue, and black.
Birds. Tori. A bird seed.
I'm ready. And before I begin, I'd like you to have these 2 large coconuts.
Wonderful. You know, their milk gives me visions.
I've heard.
Very good. Everyone pay attention. Tori.
1 second.
Ooh, a backdrop.
Then I am ready.
Delightful. Action.
It was 1934 when my husband left me. Alone. Living on the prairie was a dreary existence. No telephone, no radio, only a large, majestic bird with whom I shared my feelings. One day when I was feeling low, I said to him, "Oh, bird, you can fly. You can soar miles from this lonely place, yet you stay. Why?" And apparently, my question rang true. That afternoon, the bird left. And so went my spirit. So, was that good?
Exactly what are you asking me?
You know, did you like what I did with the scene?
Sure.
So, did I get it right?
Oh no. You failed. Again.
What? Why? I did everything.
Hey, watch when you throw your props.
Wow, that's from the facility. Those are my fruit coops. You dig? Kellogg's Fruit Loop cereal. Part of this balanced breakfast. Fully on news.
At ShoeDazzle.com, we know you live in the moment. Now all you need are the shoes to match. At ShoeDazzle, you'll find hundreds of looks to choose from, all priced just right. Go to ShoeDazzle.com today and buy one, get one free. That's 2 pairs for $40, plus free shipping.
Imagine pens that can change colors or reveal a secret message.
Magic.
No, it's Magic Pens by Whammo. The all-new Magic Pens that change color like magic and erase color like magic right before your eyes. Just use your favorite color changing pen or color erasing pen and look, with the special activator pen, turn one color into another or erase the entire color like magic. Turn ordinary artwork into awesome works of art. Create amazing 3D art.
There we go. We got all the hands. So now let's do the pants.
Every time. You can start creating your own magic today with Magic Pens by Whammo for $14.99 plus $2.99 shipping and handling. Each Magic Pen set comes complete with 9 eraser pens, 9 color changing pens, and 2 activator pens. We'll also include our Magic Flow pen tool and 50 awesome stencils. You can get the complete set for $14.99 plus $2.99 shipping and handling. When you call or go online to magicpens.com, must be 18 years or older to order.
We're here at the Snackies Institute to find out why snacks and drinks actually taste better in a Snackies duo. Let's listen in. Same milk, same cookies, different cups. Which one do you prefer?
Seriously?
Does it look like we're kidding?
I'll take this one.
You picked Snackies duo. Proof positive. Snacks and drinks do taste better in Snackies duos.
Ordinary girls, extraordinary smart. The leader, Michaela McAllister. You
But
can
we
make
also
your
need
own
white.
light, experiment in style. Culinary chemist Adrian Adams. Cook up a volcano. Sweet science. Tech genius Pride and Bandwidth. Create a glow stick necklace. You glow girl. Construction queen Cameron Coyle. You can use her blueprint to build a rock and skateboard. Project FC Squared. Dolls come with experiments, each sold separately. Smart is the new cool.
What you doing?
Angrily throwing books in my locker, can't you tell?
Have you figured out how you're gonna decorate it yet?
Yes. Look, I put a stripe on it. Did you see the stripe?
I see the stripe.
Well, I don't know what to do.
Why don't you use something, creative and deep?
What'd you do for yours?
Come on.
Clear?
Transparent. I've got no secrets, and neither does my locker.
Oh, that is creative and deep.
Yeah.
So, anyway, about the bird scene.
Later.
Hey, Trina, can you help me? I'm sorry, gotta get lunch before they run out of panini.
Man, this is humiliating. Agreed. I can't believe you got us into this. Esquinados. Madam McKee,
Oui.
we're gonna have to drop this class.
If you drop this class, then because on your partner and record, because it's zero.
Oh, come on, you can't give us a zero.
Why do you want to drop this class?
Look around, woman. We're surrounded by dudes in tights. It's just gross.
Hey, sorry, I'm late.
Girl!
Hey, Robbie. Hi, Rex.
Hey, what's doing?
Did you guys quit ballet?
We can't unless we want a zero.
Aw. Well, I'm sorry you're feeling stressed.
It's okay. I'm sure we can. Would you keep doing that, please?
Sure.
This is getting weird.
Hey, you know what's making me feel stressed?
Tell me, I'll kill it.
It's this whole bird scene thing.
Ah, there it is. The ulterior motive.
Hush, puppet. You help me with the bird scene, won't you?
I'm really not supposed to.
Ow! You bit my hand!
Rex, take me to the bathroom. I gotta pee now.
He's a puppet. He can't pee.
You don't know what I got.
All right, class. Which dancers would like to show me the routine you were working on last time?
We would? What? God, you're a maniac.
Andre, Robbie, to the front.
Don't talk to anyone till I get back.
Position. Begin.
Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. If I go for any longer, then video is just going to automatically stop. So, see you guys in the next video. I'm going to finish our Minion.